So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to beautify these three pages as discussed, and also as I had mentioned in the last video that we'll discuss about how to beautify the landing page in a separate video itself. So let us get going. First, let us check a page. How does it look? So it's becoming a volunteer page. So this is just plain and simple. So what we'll do right now is that we'll add some effects as well as images here. And first go to edit page. So this is right here. This is very simple. This is the normal WordPress text editor, and I don't usually recommend it. I recommend a page builder. So for page builder, you'll have to go to plugins and click on add new. So what plugins are basically that they expand WordPress capabilities by adding features to the website that don't usually come as built-in. They are basically shortcuts to get your site to do whatever you want without having to build the features from the scratch. You can use plugins to add photo galleries, submission forms, SEO, tracking users, adding effects, and so on. Basically, if you are stuck, just come to plugins and search plugins, and you're all set. Search for Beaver Page Builder. So this is the WordPress page builder, Beaver Builder. We'll install now. So once it is installed, just activate it. So once that is activated, just go to pages, go to all pages. So here are pages. So now when you select these titles, you'll get edit, quick edit, trash, view, and Beaver Builder option. So click on this Beaver Builder option. So you see a pattern that has come. Just click here. You'll see this. So now what you have to do is you have to add a layout. Go to this plus sign. Go to this rows. In modules there are audio, HTML, photo, text editor, video. So we'll deal with this part later. Go to rows. Now this is column. So let us say that we want all our text in the center. So just select this, place it above, click on modules, select text editor, drag it here. So now we can write our text, whatever our text might be. So we have to basically place this text on this. So we'll copy this text from our content page. So become a volunteer. This is the content. Just copy it, come here, paste this, and once you paste this, put it in center alignment. So you see it has appeared right here. So just put it on a bold mode. So you can see this text has become bold. Now suppose say that we want to increase the length from this side. And we want to place it entirely in center alignment. Just click on save. So you can see it, and now say that we want to delete this part. Just select here. If you keep the mouse here, then you'll get a remove option. Just click on this remove, just click OK, and so this is your page. So now if you want to add an animation here, just click on this box, go in advanced, first increase the box size, go below, come on animation, and choose the style. By default it would have been none. Choose fade in or slide left or slide up for say for instance. Click save. Now say for instance that you want an image here. So what you do is just go on plus, click on photo, select photo here. So here you get photo source, media library, photo, select photo, just click on files. Wherever you might be having your image, choose your image from there. I'll just select an image. I'll just select an image, website images. I'll choose this. It's being uploaded. So it's finally uploaded here. So when you select an image, you find a problem in some themes of WordPress that they don't allow you to select image here, especially in Beaver Builder. So do not worry at all. Just close this. Just close this. And in new tab, open the WordPress dashboard. Just open your website Healing Buddy. So and here you just click on this and go to dashboard. Just go to media and go on add new. So select the file here. Once this is uploaded, just go to library, just select this, and once this is selected, just copy this file URL, press Ctrl plus C and go back to your this file. Now add a photo here, and in this choose URL and just press Ctrl plus V. And now if you want to add an animation, just go to advanced, click on some animation, put fade in, just select save. So you see our picture is right here. So this is all about creating a page here. And if you want to check how this page looks to a new user, just open an incognito tab. Now search this, select what is the link here. So this is the link, select this link, press Ctrl plus C, Ctrl plus V, and just see. So you need to do done and published before seeing it. So it is publishing the changes. Now it is published. Now just go back here, reload this. So you see our picture as well as the text are right here. So this is how you create the other two pages also. So for that, again, go on WordPress dashboard, go on pages. So we have a contact page and a vision page to edit. So again, open the contact page with Beaver Builder. So we have to put our data here. It's already here. So just select here, just put it in center alignment. That's all. You can increase the size if you want. Select here, go to paragraph, select heading 4 H4 tag, click save and put done, publish. So we have to select the entire in center alignment. Now select H4. So once this is done, again go back to your WordPress dashboard. Again go to pages. Similarly, edit the vision page by clicking Beaver Builder here. So in this also, just select this, put it all in center alignment, choose some H3 tag this time to make the size more. Just click on save, done and publish. So as now these three pages are done, we'll add it in a menu, and for that I'll teach that in the next video in detail step by step.